So I ran into a knot in my yarn. Sometimes that happens in the factory. They just kind of tie it together. So I'm going to show you how to join yarn together so that it doesn't come apart. I've never had anything fall apart using this way. Here I'm just cutting the knot out, and that's just because I don't know how they tied it. It's probably not secure. I'm going to get rid of it. And so think of this now as if like you ran out of yarn in your one skein or ball or whatever, and you needed to attach another one. So you have both of the ends, the one in your right hand, the one that you're working with, this one, and then the other one is like the yarn ball that you want to attach. So you just tie a really simple knot around the new yarn ball with your working yarn so that it's literally just tied around it once. And then you should be able to move that knot down if you need. And then tie the new ball onto the working yarn. Super simple knot, just one. So now they're tied to each other. And then hold on to both yarns and pull until the knots meet. And then you should be able to pull that real tight. Pull them, pull them, pull them. And then those two little yarn tails, these two, just snip those off. And it feels funny when you're first doing it. Like it feels like it's going to fall apart, but I'm telling you, it will not. This is like a little, I think, magic knot. Okay, so now you have this knot in your yarn, which for what we're doing, you won't really be able to see it. So now that will not come undone. And now I'm just going to show you doing stitches like around this knot. And you just have to kind of be mindful of it. Like it's no big deal. Like right here, I'm pulling through. The knot ends up in those loops. So I just kind of like am wiggling it around, like making sure that it's not too loose of a stitch. And then I'm just going to move past it.